it's Juliet from WTI. I was looking for a nice long skirt that's neutral to add to my wardrobe, so that's why I bought this. One thing I really like about it is the flexible waistband. Now, I think I've gained a little bit of weight since I got the skirt, but it is not a problem because it is so super stretchy. This is a really comfortable skirt and it is super airy and like breathable. So that's another thing I like because I live in a hot area. Another aspect of it that I like is, first of all, pockets. Like, who doesn't want pockets? And then here, the front flap. I was kind of worried, like, how is this gonna look? Like, are you gonna be able to see your legs or your underwear if it flies open? But absolutely you cannot. So when it goes open, it's just the material on the other side and you cannot see your legs. I have not been in a situation where that has happened. So I really do like that. It's a great length. And like I mentioned, it's super lightweight. The elastic waistband is super comfortable as well. There's nothing that like pricks you or makes you uncomfortable. So I got a size medium and I normally am a medium and it fits as expected. So if you're looking for a great neutral long skirt that's super comfortable, get this skirt, and that is my point of view.